Imagine walking into a bakery and before you even take a bite, the cozy colors, charming logo, and elegant packaging already make you believe this place has the best bakery in town. Well, that is when you witness the magic of great branding. Hi everyone, welcome back to Din Studio. I'm Zaki, and today we are designing a logo for a bakery shop, step by step. We'll go through finding inspiration, picking the right font, and designing an eye-catching mascot to bring our brand to life. Ready? Let's jump right into it. When designing a logo, the first step is always research. Let's head to Pinterest and look up pastry branding design to see what styles are trending. If you take a closer look at many bakery brands, you'll notice a common theme. They often use warm, soft colors that evoke a sense of comfort and sweetness. Also, you'll see a lot of handwritten or display fonts that add a personal, homemade touch and sometimes even adorable mascots to make the brand more memorable. For our project, I want to create something that captures both playfulness and elegance, something that feels welcoming but also refined. So, as we move forward, let's keep that in mind when selecting our colors, fonts, and the design elements. Now, let's move on to fonts. Typography is key in branding, since pastries evoke comfort and nostalgia. A display font adds personality and makes the brand more inviting. We'll head over to one of Din Studio's family, yumnatab.com, and choose a font called Chubby Lines. It's a playful display font with rounded edges and a soft, hand-drawn feel. It is perfect for bakery branding as it gives off a warm, friendly, and inviting vibe like freshly baked pastries. In addition, its organic strokes make it look handcrafted, adding a personal touch that enhances the brand's charm. Now, let's talk about Moodboard. Gathering references helps define both the brand's look and mood, ensuring a clear visual direction before designing. After getting some references and fonts that fit our design, it's now time to create an artboard first in Adobe Photoshop with the size of 1000 by 1000 pixels. And then, let's insert some references we've gathered previously. For the color choice, we'll be using a warm or soft color palette. The color will be soft pink and creamy peach because these colors exude warmth and elegance. The next step is to select the fonts that we will use. Choosing a display typeface with lively and whimsical characteristics would be ideal in this scenario. This font is perfect for bakery branding since it offers a playful touch. And now, let's name this file Moodboard. Now that we have our inspiration and font ready, let's bring everything together in Adobe Illustrator and refine our final logo. First, we will make a new artboard with the size of 500 by 500 pixels. And then, we insert our previously created illustration and position it in the center of the artboard. Next, we lock the illustration for layer 1 and we add layer 2 for the tracing. For layer 1, we'll reduce the opacity to 40%. After that, we'll start tracing using a pencil with a 3-point size stroke. Don't forget to turn off the fill, we will speed up the process. Let's continue with the basket illustration. And then we continue again with the hand and leg illustration. We'll add some details to make the illustration livelier, like this texture on the basket. And then give the outline of the illustration a soft pink color from our palette. We'll expand the illustration so that it remains the same when the scale is later altered. And now, let's fill in some objects that need more details. First, group the illustration and then choose object on the menu and select left pane. We click the left pane bucket tool and fill in the objects that we want, like the cinnamon roll and its soles. Add some more details in the croissant illustration by thickening the stroke. Last but not least, we select the illustration and expand it to make it applicable. And voila! This is the mascot that we'll be utilizing in the logo later. So, let's go to the next step. After we're done with the illustration, let's move on to the making of the logo. Now we make a new artboard with the size of 500 by 500 pixels. Now, we title the logo Butter and Bloom. We'll be using the Chubby Lines font. Don't forget to change the color to pink according to our previously prepared palette. Tagline is also an important aspect in strengthening branding. So let's add the whisking joy into every bad tagline under the name of the logo. We use the Montserrat regular and arrange the spacing of the tracking to make it more readable. Let's make the color for both the tagline and main logo the same. Next, use the tap on a pen tool to create a rounded shape for the secondary logo. We'll utilize the title and tagline as well. Following that, we modify the size and spacing of the letters to make them neater and more balanced. This secondary logo is suitable for a more versatile application, such as a packaging seal or a social media icon. Let's move the text to the center. Choose the tab on the menu, tap on the pad, and the type on the pad option after selecting both text. After that, choose the center and click OK. To keep the composition balanced, let us arrange the tagline upside down. Now, we add the mascot illustration in the middle of the logo and arrange the size to make it fit. To make it more appealing, add the sparkle accents between the two texts. As they look a bit too big, we can resize it to make it more proportional. Okay, let's try some different color combination to make this logo more versatile and useful in various media. First, we use creamy beige for the background and soft pink for the main logo. This combination gives this logo a delicate and elegant appearance, making it ideal for warm and pleasant bakery branding. Next, we'll swap the colors. Creamy beige for the main logo and soft pink for the background. It will add variation while maintaining the overall branding charming and light-hearted vibe. We'll also make the color alternative for the illustration. This way, it can also be more flexible so that it be applied in packaging or other media that need a striking color contrast. And now, we can save all the versions of this logo and they'll be ready for branding media. And here it is, our final pastry shop logo. The design embraces a pastel color palette featuring soft pink and creamy beige tones that create a warm, inviting, and delicate aesthetic, perfect for a bakery brand. The chubby lens font adds a friendly and approachable look, while the mascot illustration of a bread basket with expressive limbs gives the branding a fun and unique personality. Will this logo catch your eye if you saw it in a bakery? Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What type of logo should we design next? Drop your request in the comment below. Also, if you are looking for more logo design tutorials, check out our other video where we break down another branding design step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.